testing. You know, that's expensive. And if I see somebody at work every day, okay, and I've had experience looking at this, okay, really and truly, it's going to show. There's going to be a marked difference in their behavior in the morning, or a marked difference in their behavior in the afternoon. Their eyes will, reveal it, okay, after a span of time, their actual performance, okay, will reveal it, okay. So there's a lot of money spent on this drug test when if the person is improving their life, well, then they're rehabilitating. And again, consistently checking makes people nervous, and it interferes with rehabilitation.